Abstraction. Try to avoid the disturbance. Abstraction. What is abstraction? Abstract means incomplete. Abstract, incomplete. See, it is a process of hiding the implementation details and showing only functionality to the user. Say, in general scenario, we have two types of methods: built-in methods and user-defined methods. In this abstraction scenario, we have two types of methods: concrete methods, or you can say complete methods. So far, we created concrete methods. Concrete method means method with a body, method body, steps. Abstract method means method which is not having the body. See, concrete methods, you no need to use the term concrete, just a method, general methods. So far we used the general methods. Concrete methods, next abstract methods in this scenario. First, it is a process of hiding the implementation details and showing only functionality to the user. Two types in this scenario. We have two types of methods. One is concrete methods. You no need to use concrete method term, just methods, general methods. See, variables, observe Akila, in structured programming, we have types of variables. Variable for storing one value at a time, that is scalar variable. Variable for storing series of values at a time, that is array variable. But in Java, array is object. But in C language, array is one type of variable. VB script, array is one type of variable. Perl script, array is one type of variable. General variables are called scalar variables. Generally, we don't use the term scalar variable. We call just variable. Here also concrete methods, you can just call methods. Concrete methods means complete methods. See, the methods which are having method body. Example, I am not writing the complete code. Say public void, not only void, you can write other type of methods also. Method with return a value, static or non-static. I am writing non-static void method example. Open curly braces. Next statements. Next close curly braces. Next, second type, abstract. Abstract means incomplete. Abstract methods. What are abstract methods? the methods which are not having method body. Why we go for incomplete methods? Generally, in our automated testing, we may not go for incomplete methods. 99% we prefer complete methods only. Software developers may use these abstract methods if they want to reuse them for multiple projects. In our automated testing also, we use this abstraction feature, abstraction principle, OOPS principle, indirectly in our page object model. In the page object model chapter, I will explain where we how we use this abstraction principle indirectly, not direct use, indirect use. Suppose variable, direct use. We use variables in our test cases for storing or holding the data. Variables, direct use. Loop statements, direct use for repetitive code execution. Exception handling, direct use for handling runtime errors in our test cases. But abstraction, indirect use, we use this concept, but not directly, indirect use. What is that indirect use? We will discuss in page object model chapter. That is Selenium topic. Okay, abstract methods. Next, example. Observe the syntax. Okay, I'm writing direct example. You can get syntax. Public, abstract, public, abstract is Java keyword. It is non-access modifier. Java modifiers we will discuss. Okay. If you find any leisure time, I will explain that one. Before that, brief idea. Java modifiers. Saurav Ghosh. We have two categories of modifiers. Saurav Ghosh. What are the two categories of modifiers?
Access modifier, non-access modifier.
Good. One is access modifiers. In future classes, I will explain. Access modifiers. We have 4 access modifiers.
Public, private, protected, default.
Protected. Fourth one, no keyword for this one. Default. No keyword. We have four access modifiers: public, private, protected, and default. For public, we use public keyword, private keyword, protected keyword, but no keyword for default. If you don't use or if you don't specify any keyword, then it treats as default. Next, second one, non-access modifiers. Say we have Java has several non-access modifiers. Access modifiers only 4. Several non-access modifiers. but our automated testing with Selenium point of view, 2 or 3 non-access modifiers are important. One is static. We already used the static for creating static variables and static methods. Next, final. It is for creating final variables or constants. Next, abstract, etc. Now tell me, Akila, what are the access modifiers? Access modifiers in Java programming? 4 access.
Private, protected and default.
What are the non-access modifiers?
Static, final, abstract.
Abstract, synchronized, etc. Okay. Public, abstract. Next, void, method name, add, open and close parenthesis, semicolon, no method body. It is not code block. Incomplete. We just declared method. Saurav. Later, we write the code for method functionality. Getting?
Yes, sir.
Generally, developers, Java software developers use this type of methods. When we go for abstract methods, not testers, developers. When we go for abstract methods, see. When we go for abstract methods. If we know the method name, but don't know the method exact functionality, then we go for abstract method. See, in the example, you can get more clarity. If you know the method name means here, if you know the core functionality of the method, but don't know the functionality, exact functionality, then we can go for abstract methods. Try to avoid the disturbance. Java class contains 100% concrete method. See, Java class contains 100% concrete methods. Next, Java abstract class contains one or more or all abstract methods. I am providing one small case study. Observe this case study, Akhila. Suppose I have 3 classes. Suppose class 1. Class 1 is having 10 methods. 10 methods are 2 methods. That number of methods is not the criteria. Having 10 methods. Next, all 10 methods, all 10 methods are concrete methods. Concrete methods. Then, is it Java class or Java abstract class? Tell me,
Java
so
class.
it is Java class or abstract class?
Java class.
Java class, 100%. See, it is a Java class or concrete class, just a class, concrete class. Next, class 2. Class 2. Class 2 also having 10 methods. 10 methods or 20 methods. Here, one method is abstract method, and remaining 9 methods are concrete methods. 9 methods are concrete methods. Then it is concrete class or just a class. Concrete class or abstract class?
Say abstract class.
Abstract class. Concrete class, abstract class. Next, suppose one method is abstract. Next, class 3 also having 10 methods. Here, all 10 methods are abstract methods. Then it is called as,
Is it?
abstract class only, na?
Yes, sir.
So, sir, what is interface then?
Interface, that we will discuss later. Interface is complete abstract.
So, if a class have all abstract methods.
Just a minute. Class is different, abstract is different, first of all. Class is different, interface is different.
Okay.
That is another code unit of Java programming. Already I told now, except 2 or 3 topics, I am completing our Java for Selenium. 2 or 3 topics are there. That is constructor one topic, interface one topic. Okay. Interface is different from class. Here, class, abstract, both are related, na?
Yes.
What is the relation? One is concrete, one is having concrete methods, another is having one or more abstract methods, but both are classes only.
Yes.
But interface is not class. Interface is another kind of code unit. Okay. Another kind of code unit. Just a minute. That is another kind of code unit. But relation is there between abstract class and interface. Both are incompleted, but abstract class is partial or full incomplete, but interface is full incomplete.
100%.
100% incomplete. Getting?
Yes, sir.
That we will discuss later. Just a minute. A, B, C, D, E. new where is that one? Not A, B, C, D, E. New. See, observe interface. Separate unit is there now.
Yes.
But abstract class, using class only we create that one. Interface is separate unit. Interface is separate unit.
Separate.
Suppose. Mind. Using interface keyword, it will create. Observe here interface keyword now.
Yes. Yes, sir.
No relation with class. Okay.
Okay.
Now stick to this abstract class, abstract methods. Raise query, Akila.
No query, sir.
Next example. Say I am creating, already I told, abstract class is having one or more or all abstract methods. Okay. Example. Just a minute. New class. I'm creating a class. We use class unit only. Interface, that is another type of code unit of Java programming. As like class, but different. Suppose my class name bikes. My class name bikes. Class name bikes. Suppose I am creating simple methods, non-static void methods. You can create method with return a value also. For this example, I am using simple methods. Public void handle. I am designing on bike with programming. Bike handle one method. Here handle functionality, that design of handle. Okay, I am writing on simple statement, system.out.println. Bikes have handle. Now observe Saurav Ghosh. Is it a concrete method or abstract method?
So concrete method.
Concrete method. See, method body is there. Forget about number of statements, one or more. It is concrete method. Next, public void suppose seat, method name seat. Next, system.out.println. Bikes have seats. This is also concrete method. Next, public void engine semicolon. See, it is showing error. It is not a proper method syntax. This red color marking means either syntax error or suggestion. You can rectify that one. Here observe, two suggestions it is providing. Add body or change this method to abstract. I don't want to add body. I want concrete abstract method. So take second suggestion. Abstract. Still some suggestion. Say, even though one method is abstract in your class, your entire class will be abstract. Remove abstract modifier or make type bikes. Bikes is class, abstract. Now observe, class is abstract now.
Yes, sir.
This method, engine method is abstract method. Next, public abstract void, suppose wheels, semicolon. In this program, I created 4 methods, 2 methods concrete methods and 2 abstract methods. Next, create, these are non-static methods. Create an object to call these methods. And one more thing, we can't create instance of abstract class. This abstract class is not for execution. It is for providing. It is for providing core idea or design to subclasses. You try to create object, it won't accept. See, bikes obj equals to new bikes open and close parenthesis semicolon. Observe, cannot initiate the type bikes. Observe this point, Saurav. We can't create object or instance in abstract class. Okay, this is my abstract class. Next, I am creating one more class. Suppose class. This class is suppose Hero Honda. Hero Honda. Hero Honda. I want to access methods from bikes class. In bikes class, we designed some functionalities of this new model bike. Extends bikes. Bikes class is abstract class. Abstract class. The type Hero Honda must be incomplete. It is a session. It is not providing the. Suppose if you write main method. Now observe sessions. Saurav Ghosh. What it is saying? Add unimplemented methods. Means first you complete the implementation, then use. Suppose in that bikes class we have 4 methods, 2 completed, 2 incomplete. I don't want incompleted methods. For example, I want only completed methods. No. you can't access any method. If you want to access abstract class members, first you need to implement the unimplemented methods, then you can access all methods or some methods based on your requirement. That is one. Other one, make type Hero Honda also abstract. No, I don't want to make it abstract. I want full-fledged class. First add unimplemented. Add unimplemented methods. Okay now. We have two unimplemented methods. What are the two unimplemented methods? This is a documentation comment. Suppose SYSO control space enter. Bikes have engine. Next, Justin. Bikes have wheels. I completed the implementation of abstract methods. Now I can access all methods. Or if you want only two methods, you can access or all methods. Say if you inherit, meaning is you no need to access all methods based on your requirement. You can access all methods. Access means call. You can call all methods or call some methods. No problem. For accessing these non-static class members, create object. It is complete class. Concrete class. You can create instance. See, Hero Honda obj equals to Hero Honda obj equals to new Hero Honda open and close brackets or parentheses. Next, I want to access these methods. Suppose obj dot engine. Next, obj dot handle, obj dot seat. Total 4 methods are there. I want 3 methods. Otherwise, 4 methods you can access. Run the program. Bikes have engine, bikes have handle, bikes have seat. Now, observe Akila. Try to identify the advantage of abstraction. Suppose, observe Sarogosh, observe this point carefully. Suppose
Yes.
I planned one design, bike or car or something. For that, I identified 100 core functionalities. One is for engine, one is for seat, one is for handling, wheels, etc. Brakes, accelerator, etc. If I create all concrete methods, I can use that methods for only one type of bikes. Only whenever I call that method, it executes that design or that functionality only. Suppose for Hero Honda class, for example, my engine design is like this. Suppose I wrote, example, I wrote 200 lines of code. My engine design is like. Suppose for another, suppose another type of bike, I want engine, but for that class, I can implement this engine method in another way. Wheels, wheels. For another type of bike, I can wheels are required, but size is different. Type of wheels different. For that another bike, I can design wheels in different way. Suppose if I use concrete methods for any type of bike, I need to use same that functionality. If I use incomplete, I just planned that functionality based on my bike type. I can implement. Suppose for this Hero Honda Passion Pro that model engine is like this. Suppose for another model, another design. Wheels also another design. So if you create or declare abstract methods, then you can implement these abstract methods in different ways in different classes. If you use concrete methods, you have to use the fixed functionality for every time. Getting the point, or any confusion, Saurabh?
No, sir, got it.
What about you, Akila?
Exactly.
But in our automated testing, indirect use that I will explain in home chapter, page object model chapter, where exactly we use this one. Oh, this is class 1, class 2, class 1, class 2. Just a minute.